What happened?
I don't know. I just got here.
Right
Somebody
now?
crashed into it? I just left and it was okay. Oh my gosh, it's splashing water. Look at, I mean, you're talking about gallons and gallons.
Oh, this is like another one. Imagine the people who are trying to get out of their house right there.
Yeah, look at the cars.
So I just came outside and I saw this. I thought it was kind of creepy. So that someone crashed into it. So, yeah. Whoa! Dude, that's like a flood. Look at the flood over here. It's like a flood. I wonder how they're gonna stop it. They should move their cars. That's all I'm just gonna say. Now it's gonna be going all over. The kids are very stupid to go into here. Man, this is like the most perfect water. I wonder what they're gonna do. I see a little kid over there with the umbrella. Holy shit, now there's more. Whoa.
I found your scooter. That's mine. That's my brother's. Why is it here?
Did you guys see the car who wrecked into it?
No.
You did? No? Oh my gosh. I just got here and I just seen that. Somebody call me, Renee. See who called me, because I just called Jamie. He said they can't shut it off. The county has to come and shut it off. I just heard the buzz. It was buzzing and buzzing. Who? My phone didn't ring.
Imagine someone just jumped on top of that and they got shot it up into the sky.
Oh my God! Look, I just came in right now and drove in. It's like I could see it from the street. And I thought, what the hell? I thought it was a fire. Look at that building over there. Look on top of it over there. Oh my God! Look at that. There
look
they
at.
come. Gosh, look at that. Look at it's gallons and gallons of water. Look at. See? Look at. Yeah, thousands and thousands of
Wow,
gallons.
this is gonna put us into more of a drought.
Yeah. She is just splattering it, thousands. You see? Somebody wrecked into it. I don't know who. Look at that. What a waste of water. Look. Thousands and thousands of gallons, and we're in a drought.
I know. And we gotta pay it.
Yeah.
Some taxes.
And they're over there calmly walking over here. I don't see no tool in their hand.
I don't either.
I don't know who wrecked into it. I didn't see a car out here when I got here. The whole fire, the whole thing came off. Miraste?
Yeah.
Who did it?
I don't know. I didn't see. I know. I seen the sea.
Oh my gosh.
It's cool because it's like a little river.
Wow, I mean, that's thousands and thousands of gallons of water. I don't know where they came if they can't do nothing. I mean, they need a like a shut off rate, because the whole thing is off. Oh my gosh.
Oh, girl, look over there.
I know it's flooded. It's real thin. I mean, it's gonna get deep. Over there, it's worse. Oh my gosh. What a waste of water.
I thought it was raining.
No.
I thought it was raining over here. Why is it over there?
I don't know.
Coming over there.
Huh?
Coming over there.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a little kid to fall in the water. Hey, look at the police showed up too.
Can you believe that? Oh my gosh.
Look at these kids in water.
Oh, I know they're having a blast. This is exciting.
See, I'm not me. I'm nervous.
I know. I want them to shut it off the raging water.
I know, man. That's serious. It's crazy. Everybody's taking pictures.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
If I were able to get closer, I would, but.
I told you to go down over there and cross. Like
Oh, look
here.
at this.
No, way over there at the end now.
What's up with the hang be hot? It'll be nice.
Yeah. The kids will be in and out.
Yeah,
Running in
really?
and out.
Oh, yeah, that's great. We're turning off the water. Let's keep it real.
Look at the recording.
Look at it's already up to their car, like under.
Yeah.